Hi, my name is Sean Rumble. Welcome to a video overview on how to perform common Windows actions with shortcuts. Now, performing common Windows action with shortcuts can help speed up your tasks and save precious time, and they're also very handy too, that you probably didn't know existed. There are a few keyboard shortcuts that you can experiment on your keyboard, and they are very useful ones that will make it very easy and snappy. So let's dive into them and get started. So, but here are some keyboard shortcuts that you probably didn't know that existed. Like for instance, if you press the Windows icon on your computer, the Alt key and the letter R, if you press those three keys at the same time, this will uh this will enable recording on your PC screen without any app. And the one advantage of that is that you can record from any app or browser and use the mic to add commentary to the recording. Next one is if you press the Windows icon and G, if you press the Windows icon and G together, now this is very cool. I didn't even know that this was even possible. That will allow you to open your Xbox game bar. And and the advantage of that is that you can use it to view recorded files after recording with with the previous one I just mentioned above there with Windows Alt and R keyboard shortcut there. The next keyboard shortcut on Windows is called the Windows and Tab. If you press the Windows key and the Tab key together, that will allow you to open Task View to view all windows on the desktop of your computer. And why is that keyboard shortcut beneficial? Because that will allow you to move between windows easily and open the ones you want seamlessly. Now probably most of you all know this one is called is the common keyboard shortcut that most of you probably know is this one, Alt Tab, that I have highlighted in blue here on my screen. And this one, what this keyboard shortcut does is it allows you to quickly view open tabs on your computer. And what's the good advantage about that is that you pressing Alt Tab on your computer keyboard will allow you to swiftly view tabs and seamlessly switch to another using the left and right arrow keys on your computer. This one, this next Windows keyboard shortcut is called pressing the Windows and D keyboard together. And when you do so, pressing the Windows icon and the letter D together on your computer keyboard will allow you to open the desktop computer from any app. And why is this such an advantage? Why is this Windows keyboard shortcut an advantage? This will allow you to hide what you're working on from prying eyes. Now a lot of you are probably known of using just of different ways of shut down your computer. Like for instance, you could just go press the Windows key and you can shut down your PC instantly. But there's actually another way that you can actually shut down your PC instantly. And I didn't know this one was in existence until I just see it here. And for viewers watching this video, you could practice this on your Windows PC computer. You just press the window icon, the letter X, and press UU twice, and assuming that is would do the trick, that would allow you to shut down your PC instantly. And why is that? Why is that keyboard shortcut helpful? Well, because if you're really in a hurry and you don't have the patience to be going through and trying to manually shut down the computer, this is the quick and easy way to shut down your Windows PC computer instantly by pressing Windows X, U, and U again. And that and that'll speed up the process of shutting down your computer. Now everyone who uses a Windows PC computer are used to seeing just, you press a restart, you press the restart, from the drop down menu, you press the restart like most of you know on your computer. But there's another way you can actually restart your computer. This is the keyboard shortcut for viewers that are watching this video. It's press the Windows icon on your computer, the letter X, U, and R all at the same time, and that will allow you to restart your computer. And why is that very helpful? Because that will allow you to restart your computer quickly and will save you a lot of time, especially if you're in a hurry. And for viewers that are watching this, if you're someone that needs to that you have something pressing to meet, and your computer is having issues and you need you need an instant restart, follow this keyboard shortcut right here. Windows X, U, and R. Press all these keys together on your computer keyboard, and that will allow you to restart your computer. Next one is press the window key and the comma key together, which the comma key is located next to the letter M, on your Windows keyboard. And this will, when pressing those two together, this will allow you to view your desktop from an app or browser. And why is this beneficial to viewers that are watching this? Well, as it says here, if you don't want to open the desktop on your computer, but you want to have a swift glance at it, you just follow that, and you will get back to whatever it is you were doing on the computer by just pressing the Windows and the comma key. So, next one is called Open Presentation Display Mode Options with this keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows icon and the letter P on your Windows computer keyboard, and that will allow you to open your presentation display mode options, the presentation display mode options will display when pressing Windows and P. And why is this helpful? This will allow people to swiftly select your preferred display option when you're making a presentation for a business or whatever it is that you're doing a presentation on, or you're projecting your PC screen onto a wall or something. So if you want to experiment that, try that out, you can practice this with pressing the Windows icon and the letter P together, and that will allow you to display that will enable the presentation display mode options to display. Now I didn't know this one was I didn't even know this one existed, but it does actually, and that it's called voice typing, and viewers watching this can take notice that if you press the Windows icon and the letter H, that will enable voice typing, which I kind of find that's kind of cool. That you get to type with while you're talking with voice typing. And why? And now that seems really cool. And why is that beneficial? Well, because that will allow users to dictate letters and notes to your PC, which I kind of find very helpful and find that very interesting. And I encourage viewers that are watching this this video that I will eventually post on YouTube to try this Windows H command out and see how cool that is. Now, next keyboard shortcut is called Windows, and any of the Windows and, well, whatever number key it is, from 1 to 9. So if you so so if you select any of the Windows button and any of the number keys on the right of your computer, that will allow you to start apps pinned to the taskbar in the position indicated by the number 1 to 9 or more, starting from the left. And why is that beneficial? This will allow users to open the pinned app you want quickly, you want swiftly, or switch to an already running app from any other app or window. Now, if you wanted to quickly find the magnifier to open up, there's a quick and easy way viewers can do that. And that keyboard shortcut is called Windows, the window key icon, and the plus sign, which is all the way to the far right, of your computer. If your computer has a number pad on it. If it doesn't, it's the keyboard that has the little plus, with the equal sign, but there's a plus on it too. You just press Windows and the little the Windows icon and the plus icon together, and that will open up the magnifier on your computer. And why is that? And why is that helpful? You can swiftly magnify any app or document for a larger, clear view, which I find that viewers should try this out. For viewers that use a Windows PC computer to try this keyboard shortcut. That's called the Windows key and the plus sign together. Next one on the list here is this is actually very cool. I didn't even knew that this is another way you can highlight the browser URL. This is called press Control L together. And what that does is when you press Control L, the two keys together, that will allow you to select and highlight the browser URL instead of having to manually select and highlight the browser URL. There's an easier way you can do that, and that is by pressing Control L. And you can even do that. And the reason why I encourage viewers to try that out is because that will allow you to type another URL swiftly to go to a new site without even having to use the motion of your mouse cursor. So therefore, practice this for viewers that are Windows PC computers. I highly recommend and encourage you to practice Control L on your computer, which will allow you to highlight the browser URL. So now another way you can open your browser search bar is the following. You can just press the control key and the letter K on your keyboard. And what that would do is that will allow you to open the browser search bar on your computer. And why is that helpful? Because that will allow you to swiftly search within your computer browser from the drop-down options, and will save you a lot of time this way. Especially if you're someone that needs to be somewhere in a hurry. I highly recommend and suggest that for viewers that are Windows computer that would like to need to quickly find the browser search bar on your browser, press Control K, and that will allow you to open the browser search bar menu. Next on this list is press the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter T all together. And when viewers do so, that will allow you to open recently closed browser tabs. And why is that helpful? Because that will allow viewers to swiftly open all other tabs that you accidentally closed by mistake. And viewers can open previous tabs even after you close the browser or shut down or restart your PC if you just use this keyboard shortcut. Press the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter T together, and that will allow you to open recently closed browser tabs on your computer. Now we all know that we can manually bookmark a website on a that we go to anywhere on your computer, which we all know how to do that. But there's actually a keyboard shortcut that can make your life even easier without even needing you to move your mouse cursor to manually bookmark a website, a page, etc. And the keyboard shortcut is this one right here and highlighted in blue. Press the control key and the letter D together, and that will allow you to bookmark a page, a website to your computer. And why I highly recommend and suggest that viewers do that is because that will allow you on any browser to swiftly bookmark a page, website, whatever it is that you want to say, and you'll be able to instantly access it seamlessly anytime. So I highly recommend and suggest that for viewers that want to instantly view that page that you bookmark, I highly recommend and suggest that you practice this keyboard shortcut and press Control D on your computer, and this will save you a lot of time. This will save you a lot of time. Now, there are other notable tips and shortcuts that will also make your life easier on your Windows computer, such as scan your PC for malware quickly. Now, if you have any doubt that you thought that you will have any malware in your computer, there's an instant way you can swiftly check to see if it does contain any malware on your computer or not. Follow these steps right here, circled. I have boxed around in green here with the green arrow pointing it as you see on my computer screen. Follow these steps, and that's how you will scan your PC for malware quickly. And I don't know if you all viewers that will watch this video later that they know about this, but there's a way you can actually control your system volume with your mouse wheel, and this will come very handy if you're on a desktop or use your mouse with your laptop. All you need to do is just click on the volume icon on the taskbar and the volume slider, and the volume slider will be enabled and will open up for you. And then from there, you would just need to slide the volume up or down using your mouse scroll wheel to do so. And there's another thing that you didn't know is if you I don't know if viewers knew this, but you could skip clicking the volume icon. And if you want to learn more how to do that to speed things up and you don't mind downloading third-party tools, you can just look up this on Google, and you will find how to do you will find how to do so if for viewers that are interested in learning more about changing the volume on your Windows computer with your mouse wheel. So it's there for viewers that want to learn more about it, and you can look that up on Google. Next, you can easily select text on documents. Manually selecting text on any documents can be time consuming, especially if you're working on a long research paper and you don't want to manually select text one by one and all that. There's an easier way that you can do that. And how you would do that, follow these steps I have right here that I have boxed around in the green rectangle with the green arrow pointing to them, as you see on my screen here. This will make your life so much easier. So follow those steps on how to select text easily on documents. Finally, if you follow all of what I went and gone over above, this will allow you to move to swiftly go work your way faster on your Windows computer. And as I just mentioned before, and I'm gonna mention again, when Windows keyboard shortcuts makes your life so much easier and faster while you navigate on your Windows computer. And yes, so and as it says, to once you get used to those keyboard shortcuts that I described above there, you will fall in love and you'll become a fond of using them every day. And I said it before and I'll say it again, it will make your life so much easier navigating on your Windows PC computer screen. A whole lot easier. And you'll and 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 you'll be glad that you will know those keyboard shortcuts, and you don't have to manually figure out those things on your own. You have the Windows keyboard shortcuts there. Will make your life so much easier. I highly recommend and suggest that for viewers that are watching this video to try out and practice those Windows keyboard shortcuts on your Windows PC computers and see how it goes. All right, I know that was a long I know that was a lot that I explained, but I hope you found this video overview helpful. Thank you for watching.